to my channel. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and address a couple of things. I don't have on any eyeshadow or any foundation or concealer right now because y'all, I don't know what exactly happened, but I actually did a look, and I'm probably gonna post the picture of the look in the video because I didn't record it, but I did a look. Y'all, cleaned my face off, you know, did my skincare, took all the makeup off, and then when I went to sleep that night, you know, after I got a shower, you know, went to sleep, I woke up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom because, of course, you know, when you drinking nothing but water, hold on, matter of fact, let me get a little sip. When you staying hydrated and minding your business, you know, you're gonna have to get up and go to the bathroom in the middle of the night. Y'all, I went to the bathroom and I looked at myself in the mirror, and why I look like Will Smith on Hitch. So hold on, let me fix this real quick. So I had an allergic reaction to something. I'm not too sure what it was, but I had an allergic reaction to something, and so I have not been putting on any makeup, y'all. My eyes are finally, you know, getting somewhat to being good, and yeah, they still, you know, swollen, especially under my eyes, still swollen. So you guys, yeah, I don't have on any makeup right now. I just have on eyebrows. I want to come on here with at least some eyebrows, y'all. I want to look at least somewhat presentable. I think that's all that I wanted to really address, was the fact that I don't have on any, you know, like I don't have on a full glam, and for that I'm sorry, y'all. I'm talking about no lashes, no mascara, no nothing. I was a little skeptical about putting on eyebrows, to be completely honest, y'all, but did I blend that out? Yeah, I did. But you know, I want to put on a little something to come in and give y'all this video because I want to review these beautiful, they're called River Locks. That's what the company who sent me these, and I want to say thank you to MarchQueen Hair for choosing me to review these crochet locks for them. I truly appreciate you for thinking about me and choosing me to do this, because these were sent to me via PR, and again by the company MarchQueen, and this is the packaging that it came in, and it has the slogan, choose your love, love your choice. A cute little slogan or whatever. So let's get into it, you guys. So they sent me 6 packs of 18-inch, and y'all, I'm looking down at my iPad to make sure I know everything that I'm giving you correct things. But of course, you know, I'll put a picture of the things up in the somewhere in the video. But it is they're called Goddess Locks Crochet Hair, and they're also called boho hippie locks, faux locks. They're basically river locks because that's what these were classified as. They were classified as river locks, boho style, because they are a lock, a little goddess lock, but with the lock it also comes with like little curls throughout. And they sent me 6 packs, and with the 6 packs there were 64, not 64, y'all, 24 of the individual locks that came in each package. And the out of the 6 packs I only used 5 packs, and that's because I wanted my hair to be kind of full, you guys. And I had some pulled, just I was trying to pull everything to one side to try to, you know, disguise the fact that I don't have on any makeup. But this is how they came packaged. Came like this, and I actually, yeah, I have 1 full pack left and this much out of another pack. Like I said, they came with 24 in the pack, and this is how a fresh one looks straight out of the pack. So you see the loop is here, and that's the size of the loop, and then the lock has like, I want to call this like a water wave, deep wave curly hair, and then of course at the end of the lock there is the water wave curly hair, and this is in the shade 350. And y'all, when I say I love these locks, I love these locks. I've probably had them in now for a week, and they still look really, really good. I braided my hair down. I'm going to leave either I'm going to put it down in the description box below. Of course, I'm going to link it in a card somewhere in the video, but I am going to leave a link of a video where I showed you guys a braid pattern for my crochet install. 10 braids across the top, going into 5 braids in the back, and that is how that's the braid pattern that I used in order to achieve the braid down for this particular crochet hairstyle. Also, with me doing the braid down, I would say it took me probably, in order to install this hair, it took me 2 hours to install the hair. That's not even counting. Yeah, it's just, I'm gonna just say 2 hours, because of course before I did my put these in, I of course had to go through, do my whole wash day routine as far as washing and deep conditioning my hair. And I think that I will be recording a video for you guys of my wash day routine. But y'all, when I say it is, it's a process. It's a process, you guys. It is a because it takes me, it's like it's an all weekend affair. It's not just a one day thing. It's an all weekend affair whenever it's time for me to wash my hair. But it was, like I said, it was these are 18 inches, and it was 6 packs of T1B 350. So that's basically saying that it's an ombre from a 1B down to a 350. And you guys, this color is beautiful. I was nervous about the color at first because, like I said, this is my first time having this particular color in my hair for braids. Yeah, I know I'm kind of stepping out a little bit more when it comes down to color, and if you don't know, well, now you know. But yeah, I've had these in for a week, you guys, and they still look really good. I probably have already said that somewhere in this video, but they still look really good. The curls are still holding up. It's not tangling. It is not heavy. Now, one thing, a lot of times the crochet locks, I have noticed, if you don't install them individually, they can become bulky and they can become heavy. Not these. These are not bulky. They're not heavy. They're not any of the things. And I may include a small, you know, snippet of some of the styles that I've worn with this hair, because most of the time, since I am working from home right now, you guys, I've been wearing it up into a little cute little bun, and lightweight, really lightweight. And another thing that I really have an issue with when I am installing crochet into my hair is the fact that the hair causes my scalp to itch really, really bad. Now, I already have dry scalp, so my scalp is gonna itch regardless. But I noticed with some brands of hair, they do cause my scalp to itch a little bit more. Not this. I have not noticed, you know, that irritating, because it's like a really, really irritating. For my ladies who wear synthetic hair and know about it, then y'all already know. When it comes down to the crochet, or even the box braids, Senegalese twists, micro twists, micros, if it's, you know, synthetic cankalon hair that is being put into your hair, then, and you experience that, then you know exactly what it is that I'm talking about. This does not cause this has not caused my hair to itch. It's just been good to me. It's been good to me, and it looks good on me, if I do say so myself. But yes, this hair from MarchQueen, I love it because it puts me in the mindset of the curly hair that I normally wear when I do crochet the curly, y'all know the big curly hair that I wear when I do my crochet, using like the water wave or the kinky wave. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. So that's what the ends of this put me in the mindset of, and it feels kind of like it's more than just, you know, one particular hairstyle, because like I said, the curls make it seem like, you know, it's a whole nother hairstyle within itself. And yes, you guys, I say these are a must grab. These are a must grab. And I will be, once I take these out, I will be reusing the hair. And I think the next time I install it, I want to try to install it individually, kind of how I did with the Bobby Boss New Locks. I think I want to try doing that and see how it works with my hair. But you guys, go cop this. Go cop this hair. I will leave the link to these locks. I will leave them down in the description box below. Make sure that you go and purchase them. Tell MarchQueen that Danny sent you. And yeah, you guys, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And share my content. Don't be stingy. Share it with your mom, your dad, your sister, your cousin, your best friend. Share my stuff. Okay? Just want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking out my video. And you already know the vibes. Bye.